Many traders approach crypto trading backwards. They search for shortcuts or secret indicators, always hoping something will finally click. They're always looking for the next big move, trying to find that one thing that changes everything overnight. But the market doesn't reward hope or hype. It rewards preparation, structure, and, above all, discipline. The real difference between consistent traders and everyone else isn't intelligence or timing. It's having a system in place. That system removes guesswork and emotion from every decision, bringing clarity and confidence to every trade. Real success in crypto is about following a proven framework, one tested across real market conditions, not just discussed online. This trading blueprint wasn't built overnight. It's born from over 10 years of hands-on experience in the market. Navigating bull markets, bear markets, sudden crashes, long recoveries, and everything in between. Experience shapes the method. Instead of chasing pumps or reacting emotionally, this approach adapts as market conditions change. No panic, just process. That's what separates structured trading from gambling. It's not about predicting the future. It's about responding intelligently to what the market is already doing. At the core of this approach are 4 essential pillars that professional traders rely on. The first pillar is market structure. When you understand structure, you stop reacting late and start seeing how trends, momentum, and cycles develop in real time. You learn where price has been, where it's likely heading, and when staying out of the market is the smartest move. The second pillar is risk management. Consistent traders don't obsess over profits. They focus on protecting capital. Every trade has predefined risk limits, position sizing rules, and exit strategies. Survival always comes first, because staying in the game is what allows results to compound over time. The third pillar is high probability execution. This removes overtrading, guessing, and emotional decisions. Trades are only taken when specific criteria are met. Criteria that have been refined and tested through years of documented results. This is how consistency replaces chaos. The fourth pillar is discipline through automation. Crypto never sleeps, but people do. Rule-based systems and AI-assisted execution help maintain consistency, remove emotional interference, and keep the strategy working even when you're not watching charts all day. This is why this blueprint has endured through multiple market cycles, major corrections, and constant changes in the crypto landscape. It doesn't rely on hype, influencers, or predictions. It relies on structure, rules, and a historically high documented win rate built over a decade of real-world trading experience. If you want a proven trading system built on over 10 years of successful trading and a historically high win rate, and you want to be part of a framework that has helped many traders find consistency, be sure to attend the complimentary crypto workshop. The link is in the description.